I felt it at the register. I did it like this. It felt good.
Oh. What's up, YouTube fam? We are keeping up with the Griffins and we are back with another video. Today is another fidget video.
What are we looking for?
We're looking for simple dimples, fidgets, splat balls.
What is splat ball?
Splat.
You know them splat balls on a winning field?
Oh.
Splat.
Oh, okay.
And what else?
And we looking for squishmallows. Yeah, squishmallows and the little baby fidgets and whatever they
So the squishmallows is like what, KYLEE, you got last time?
Yeah, it's like the big squishy thing. And we also looking for a reversible octopus.
What is that? That's easy to find. Wait a minute. Those faces? Oh, I know.
Wait, why am I not in tune with this stuff?
You remember me? I went to that place to visit.
No.
So we're looking for poppits, baby poppits,
Yep, squishmallows.
squishmallows, reversible octopus, splat balls, and what else?
Little baby puppets. Yeah, little baby.
Poppets.
Simple dimples.
Simple dimples. Okay. Alright.
Let's get to it.
But let's get into it. That's what y'all talking about, Eddie? Oh. Oh, that's a nice bottle. It look evil. The other side look evil. Sad. Happy.
But this one is
So they got two sizes. Poppits.
it turns to a massive.
What's this, y'all? It's just a
Potato. That looks like a potato. Mickey Mouse here.
you should get this. Get the little
That's yours? You like that one?
Got mango That's hard to squish. It's hard to squish. But mine? It's hard.
You like this one better?
Like if you do it like that, it's hard. But if you push it up, it's not. I mean like the inside of this thing. Oh, I never saw this.
Mermaid and unicorn slime. butterfly.
The butterfly poppet. Look what I found. That's a ball collar.
This what it's called?
Simple dimple.
Why they? Why the name?
We got this one too.
Yeah.
What's this? Oh, it's
Kylie, you
stuff.
got everything? Yeah, that's it. Triple dimple.
Yeah, my sister.
Squishmallows.
What's that?
How do you do it with stars
Unicorn.
This one. I'll go for orange. What do you got this one? Ah! I got this. What's your looking for?
Alright, we're back from our fidget shopping. As seen on TV, we did find a few good things. A lot of poppets were there. A lot of reversible octopuses, and we did get a few. So what we got?
I got an octopus.
Is this a
that's
unicorn?
a unicorn.
Octopus?
You put
Or
you
is this
had
a unicorn?
you had the octopus, but you put it back. I think that's the unicorn one, right?
Yeah.
It has a mad face and a nice face.
So it's a happy face, and it's a mad face. So I guess when Kylie mad, she'll
My turn.
show us this.
No, it's not.
What up?
I got this thing.
What is this? Is that?
Why are you doing like an old lady?
I guess that's how you do it. All right, what else you got?
Okay, and I got a simple dimple.
Is it a simple dimple or is it a triple dimple? Triple dimple. There's 3 of them.
What fell out?
It's a keychain.
Oh.
I guess it's a triple dimple.
Okay.
Like this? What is it supposed to do? Like, just that?
Sounds like a pop it.
Oh.
Okay, I still got something else though. I got this.
What is this?
This is a monkey keychain or something.
But
This
it
look
looks
like a little-
It's a
unicorn.
monkey. It's a monkey. It's a monkey slinky.
I thought of that the register. I did it like this. It feels good. Sorry.
Oh Lord, not Kylie doing it. See? Okay, that's good. If they seated. Is that all? Yeah, I think that's all for you. Alright, Jay. Show them what you got.
Wow. I forgot what this thing
Reversible octopus.
I got a
Reversible octopus. So that's the happy face.
turn out.
And this is the mean face. Alright, show us what else you got, boy.
I got this. Let's go.
Maybe it's called a triple dimple.
You got it?
Or maybe it's a simple dimple. Triple dimple, simple dimple, I don't know. Something dimple.
So if you do it like that, it's hard.
Yeah.
And you can hear it better. Can't hear it more. I'll do the other side.
What else you got? Oh Lord, goodness.
Why are you scared?
Cause y'all about to hit me. See?
And this called what you call it? A monkey thing.
How? I don't understand how.
Yo,
Look.
Charlie said this is a monkey.
It's not a monkey, it's a unicorn.
It's a unicorn.
A monkey
You
thing.
seen this on TikTok?
Maybe you see something that. Maybe you
Maybe
saw
they got the
something that
monkey
looks
one.
similar.
Alright.
And I got a little dog puppy.
Keychain. Keychain with no keys.
Wait a minute. I want to get this much.
Look like Daddy gonna be playing with this.
Yeah, I like this. I'm gonna hate you.
Away from the face, please.
And
Can y'all hear that?
and that's what I got. A pocket. A big
Ooh.
shadow.
What else you got? You got that shit?
Yeah.
What smell like? Cause this right here got a smell to it. This thing
Smell like spray paint.
sour spray paint.
Alright, so this is everything that we found today. I think we had a pretty good fidget shopping day today.
I like this one. This is my favorite one and that one.
This your favorite one?
All of them. I like all of them.
Yeah. I don't know, I kind of like this.
I figure you like that
I don't
one.
even know what it's called. I kind of like this.
I like it because we can see.
That one is stink. That right
Yeah,
there.
that one is.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, we want to thank y'all for watching our video today. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notification bells so you can get alerted every time we drop videos. We got a lot more videos coming up pretty soon, so just stay tuned.
We'll see you next time. So, do your thing, Kylie. Make sure you subscribe, click that notification, and we'll see you